Good morning, guys. Mr. Parisi here, and today we're going to be talking about check registers. So what a check register is this is the document that you would use to keep track of how much money is going into and coming out of your bank account. Okay, it keeps track of things like your purchases, deposits, withdrawals, things like that. So you're keeping track of when money is entering and leaving your bank account. Okay, so let's look at a few of these things. First thing here is number. This is dealing with the number associated with the check that you're writing, if you're writing a check. Now, not as many people are writing checks anymore, but it's still a part of the check register. Up next is the date. That's easy enough. It's just the date. Followed by your transaction. So a transaction is just what you're paying for or what's happening. What is happening? So you could be paying, I don't know, McDonald's for lunch. So you'd say McDonald's in there, McDonald's lunch, whatever. You could be getting a direct deposit from work where money's going into your account. You would just say, hey, it's my paycheck. Just describing what is going on in the situation. So then we get to some of our key words. First one being withdrawal. Withdrawal is, I'm going to write that down over here. We've already talked about it, but it's good to review. So a withdrawal is money being taken from your account. So anytime money is taken out of your account would go down. So when we see withdrawal, we're going to associate that with subtraction in this case because money is coming out of our account. Our account is lowering. Okay. Up next we have deposit. So a deposit is the opposite. Deposit is when money is being put into our account. Okay, so with deposit, we're going to associate addition with deposit because our account is going to be increasing. And last but not least, this final column with the money sign here, this is really just your balance. Okay, that's how much money you have in the account at whatever time you're looking at. Okay, so it keeps you up to date of how much money you have. So it'll tell you whether you have enough money or you don't have enough money for what's going on. So we're going to actually make one of these check registers on your note sheet. So if you've got a scrap sheet of paper, this is what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to come down here and we're going to make our own little section. So up first was just that number. Whoops, move that out of the way. So you could write number, okay? Then draw a line down your page like I'm doing. Then we're going to say date. Same thing, draw a line down your page. Then you're going to say transaction. And the line down the page, withdrawal. Deposit. And balance. Okay? So we just set up our own little check register. Now we're going to go through filling one of these out together, and then I'm going to have you guys try a few steps on your own. So if you notice over here, I've got a few different things written out for us, okay? So first things first, it says to start our checkbook with a balance of $1,120. So you're not always going to fill out every single spot in every single line with this. So starting here, when we have a balance of $1,120, this is just where we're beginning. So I'm just going to write in there 1,120. That's it. I didn't fill out a check. You could write the date if you want. So today is actually April 21st. Okay. This wasn't a transaction. It's just your balance. There was no withdrawals and there's no deposits. So we don't need to fill that part out. Okay. So we're all good here. We can check off number one. Number two says write a check for $83.89 to NYSEG for your gas bill. And this is November 26th. Okay. So obviously the dates aren't totally matching up because it's April now, but that's okay. We're going to roll with whatever this page says. So the first thing is Do we have a check? We do have a check. It doesn't give us a number. So in this case, we're just going to call it check number 1. Now, normally you would just look in your check. We talked about where the check number is found, and you would write down that number. Okay, the date is over here. This is November 26th. So November is 11, and then 26th for the date. So my transaction is what's happening. I am paying NYSEG for the gas bill. Okay? So now here we have to decide, is this a withdrawal or is it a deposit? Remember, withdrawal is money coming out of my account, so that's subtraction. And a deposit is money going into my account, so that's addition. So let's see here. If I am making a payment for a gas bill, I'm paying something, my account is going to go down. So in this case, that would be a withdrawal. So it's not going to be a deposit. Okay, so I am withdrawing $83.89. So as soon as I see that, I'm going to subtract. I have my starting balance. I'm looking over here at my starting balance. Okay, so I'm going to start with that $1,120 and subtract my $83.89. So my balance part is going to be my new balance, which is just going to be $1,036.11, and that came from taking my starting balance here and subtracting that withdrawal. Okay, so I did that minus my withdrawal, and I have my new balance there. So that new balance is what I'm going to be rolling into my next line with. Okay, up next, okay, so we took care of number 2. Up next for number 3, it says write a check for $399.50 to Key Bank for your car payment, and this is for the date of December 1st. So again, we're just going to follow through this process. So this would be another check. So I'm just going to say, hey, that's check number 2. The date, I'm looking over here, it looks like December 1st, so that's a 12/1. And what am I paying for? I'm paying Key Bank, and it's for my car payment. So I know where this money is going. Paying for my car. So again, if I'm paying it, that's going to be a withdrawal. Money's coming out of my bank account. So that would be $399.50 coming out of my bank account. So no money went into my account. So there was no deposit there. And now again, the same process, except I'm not working with this 1,120 anymore. I don't have that much money in my account. I only have $1,036.11. So that's what I'd start with. I'd say $1,036.11 minus $399.50. And that's going to give me a new balance of $636.61. Okay? So we're all good with number 3. We took care of that. Up next, you see how each one of these steps has its own line in our check register. Number 4 says we have a direct deposit of $557.45, and this is my paycheck from Ingram Micro on December 3rd. So what's happening here is I'm getting paid. This is good. This is good. I'm getting money into my account. So this is it even says right here, a direct deposit. So my account's going to go up. So there was no check number here. So I'm not going to worry about that. It's telling me this happened on December 3rd, and this is my paycheck. So I'm going to write paycheck here. And my paycheck is for oops, I'm getting ahead of myself here. We have to see, is this actually is this a deposit or a withdrawal? In this case, I started writing in withdrawal, but it's not a withdrawal. Direct deposit, so there's nothing that's going to go here, and I'm getting paid, so my account's going to go up $557.45. So we're understanding the difference between a withdrawal and a deposit here. Now money's going into my account, so I'm going to take that $636.61 and add my $557.45. And my new balance, you see my account's going to go back up. I'm going to be at $1,194.06. So we like direct deposits, okay? We like seeing our accounts go up. And there we go. We just finished step number 4. okay? Step number 5 will be the last one that we do together. So on step 5, I'm using my debit card at the Apple Store, and it's $92.38, and that's on December 3rd. So again, we've got December 3rd here. No check this time. I'm using my debit card, so it's December 3rd. Okay. If I'm at the Apple Store paying for something, I'm just gonna say Apple. Maybe I'm getting an iPad or a Chromebook or a MacBook or something like that. I'm paying for something, okay? So my account is going down. So it's not going to be a deposit. I'm paying for it. It's going to be subtracted from my account. So that $92.38 is coming out of my account. So again, $1,194.06 minus that $92.38, and I have a new balance of $1,101.68. Okay, so we just finished up number 5. What I want you guys to do now is your homework is going to be 6, 7, and 8 down here. Okay, so you should have copied down the check register as we were filling it out. You've got 3 more lines that you need to complete. Okay, first thing that's happening is you're using your debit card to pay mobile as a gas station. Okay, so you're going to be paying $55 at a gas station on December 9th. Then you're going to write a check for $685, and this is to your landlord, so you're paying your rent on December 10th. And last but not least, you're receiving a birthday check. Okay, so this is a birthday check for $125 that you're going to deposit into your checking account, okay? So try and follow the process that we did with the first 5 steps. You're going to finish up 6, 7, and 8 by Thursday, okay? So I want to see the complete check register from the notes and 6, 7, and 8. Take a picture of that and submit it to Google Classroom. Thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and do your best. Give it your best try, and I'll talk to you later.